Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv app. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will go to Play Store. You will search for Pixiv. You will click here to update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.